Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Greatlocs. I'm Gunther the Great, and today's video is going to be super different, but this is a very important video to me, and I think it's going to be very important to you guys as well. Now this video is more of an announcement than anything, and it's something that I've been working on for probably the past year, could even be going into 2 years. And I'm finally going to be releasing some sort of an online course or classes with mentoring, with me being the mentor, of showing you guys how to get dreadlocks with whatever hair type you have. Now you guys are probably looking at me like, yo, you don't even have dreadlocks, but I had dreadlocks and my first set of locks I really enjoyed. I'm actually in the process of getting dreadlocks again, so this is the perfect time to start, because then I'll be mentoring you guys with me doing the process along with you guys. Now the online course hasn't been released yet. I'm still working on some kinks and everything like that, but I did want to tell you guys now so that you guys are prepared for when this actually launches, because it's going to be really exciting, because then I get to connect with you guys a little bit more. Because if you were to check my DMs, I get thousands of DMs and I'm not able to answer all of them. I don't have all the time in the world and I'm trying to live my own life. But with the online courses, it allows me to connect with you guys that actually need the help. Now with the online courses, I can tell you roughly about it. It's going to give all of you access to everything that you need in order to start your dreadlocks for your hair type. And also, like I said, it gives you access to me via Zoom calls, phone calls, text messages, whatever works best for you. Now when you purchase the online course, the locking bundle is included, because you're going to need those tools in order to do the methods that I'm going to be training you guys on. And the cool thing about it is, if you want to pursue being a loctician, you can do it that way, or if you want to do your own dreadlocks, you can do it that way as well. And I'm going to be doing this for a very reasonable cost, versus you going to a trade school or going to a loctician school to where you're basically going to be paying thousands to get a degree or get something to actually call yourself a loctician. Which overall, it's really just training you guys on the skill, and that's what I really want to provide for you guys. Now like I said, the locking bundle is going to be included with the purchase of the online course, but if you already purchased the locking bundle, then you'll get the online courses at a discounted price. And guys, I'm telling you, I've done this on my friends, I've done this on myself using these tools, and it is guaranteed that you will have dreadlocks, and I'm pretty sure you'll have them exactly the way that you would like them. And with there being a guarantee, if you're not pleased with results or anything like that, or I'm not connecting to you guys good enough or anything like that, if there's any problems on your end, you can obviously get your money back and everything like that. But what I'm working on right now is just the pricing and how we're going to deliver it and everything like that. I'm getting pretty close to finishing up. It might end up being released next week, so stay tuned for that, but I will keep you guys updated 100%. And I do want to thank all of you guys for supporting my channel, supporting Greatlocs.com, and putting me in the position right now with the resources to be able to teach you guys even more. Because the whole reason I started this channel is because I wanted to teach other people the knowledge that I have. But since it's not released yet, you guys can purchase the locking bundle now. And remember, like I said, if you purchase the locking bundle now, you'll have the course at a discounted rate. And I think the course is going to help out so many people, because they'll be able to connect with me one-on-one, which so many people try to reach out to me and they never even get to me, because it's literally bombarded with all these other DMs or emails or whatever it is. But I would recommend all of you right now to purchase the locking bundle before the online course is put out, because like I said, you get it at a discounted rate. But at the same time, there is plenty of content on this channel and my main channel that teaches you how to use these tools. But I am really excited for this course to come out, because like I said, I've been working on this for over a year, and hope you guys are excited too. But you guys, that's today's video. I just wanted to update you guys and let you know what's going on behind the scenes. Let me know what you guys want to see next, because I can definitely drop more content that is knowledgeable for you guys. But I do want to thank you guys one more time. But other than that, see you guys next time. Peace.